Want to level up your cardio and track your fitness smarter? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best smart jump ropes on Amazon, perfect for home workouts, HIIT sessions, and fun fitness tracking. From digital counters to app sync and adjustable lengths, these jump ropes make every jump count. Stick around to see which ones rise to the top. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our best fitness gear recommendations. At number 1 we have RENPHO Cordless Jump Rope. The adjustable weighted jump ropes adopt a creative design that allows you to change the mode freely between rope jump and cordless jump. 3M skipping ropes fit for outdoor exercise, adjust to a suitable length without tools. With a cordless ball, a rope jump can easy to change into a cordless model, imitating skipping with a real rope, without actually needing to swing a rope. RENPHO Smart Digital Jump Rope can connect to the RENPHO Health app, iOS 7 Plus and Android 4.3 Plus, via Bluetooth to tell you about the cardio exercise. App will keep track of your workout data, including jump count, calories burned, time spent jumping, etc., to analyze your periodic workout data. Free jump and countdown timer and countdown number. RENPHO Jump Rope integrates 3 sport fitness modes in one for you to choose. Perfect equipment for weight loss to women and men. Ideal fitness jump rope for a workout, boxing, gym, cardio, or just daily exercise. 85 FT PVC steel wire rope, which is durable and non-tangled, can be applied to concrete floors, wood and cobblestone roads. The adjustable length makes the rope suitable for children and adults. Skipping data. At number 2 we have Tangram Smart Rope Rookie. Smart fitness tracking. The Tangram Smart Rope Rookie connects to the Smart Rope mobile app via Bluetooth, allowing you to track your jumps, calories burned, and workout progress in real time. Adjustable length for all users. Easily adjustable rope length to fit all heights and workout styles, making it perfect for adults and kids alike. Simply customize the length to suit your needs for a comfortable and efficient workout. Durable and lightweight design. Made with high-quality materials, the Smart Rope Rookie is both durable and lightweight, ensuring smooth and fast rotations. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip for extended workout sessions. App connected for enhanced workouts. Sync with the Smart Rope app to access a range of workout modes, track your fitness data, and compete with friends. Available for both iOS and Android, the app offers a comprehensive fitness experience. Portable and replaceable battery. The Smart Rope Rookie is designed for portability, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. At number 3 we have RENPHO Smart Jump Rope. Most convenient cardio exercise. With RENPHO Smart Orange Jump Rope with counter, you can get a more efficient, more low-cost, and happier cardio exercise. The Jump Rope Orange is lightweight and portable. It is a gift for women to be flexibly used indoors or outdoors. Our Fitness Orange skipping rope can connect with our app RENPHO Health, which can easily analyze and track your periodic workout data. You can grasp your skip time, total skip number, calories burned, and tangles to reach your fitness goal at any time. The workout jump ropes have 3 shipping modes to choose from. Free jump /time countdown /numbers countdown. Our jump rope is a built-in chip and is equipped with 3 sensitive and precise Hall sensors that can count for every jumping data correctly and ensure data accuracy. The jumping rope counter adopts 3M/9.85 FT PVC steel wire rope that is durable and non-tangling. The PVC wrapped steel rope can be suitable for almost any kind of floor like floor tile, wooden. At number 4 we have Tangram Factory Smart Rope. Take your cardio training to the next level with this innovative smart rope that displays your jump count in midair while you exercise, keeping real-time stats directly in your line of sight. Transforming a classic workout into a high-tech fitness experience, jump rope training can burn up to twice as many calories as running, making it an efficient choice for weight loss and endurance building. Seamlessly sync the rope with the free Smart Rope mobile app, available on iOS, Android, and Apple Watch, to track jump count, calories burned, workout duration, and customized interval training sessions. Stay motivated by unlocking fitness awards, setting goals, and competing with friends for an engaging and interactive workout journey. Smart Gym integration allows syncing with Apple Health Kit, Google Fit, and Under Armour platforms including UA Record, MyFitnessPal, and MapMyFitness, ensuring compatibility with your favorite fitness apps and wearables. At number 5 we have WeGym Smart Jump Rope. Boost your workouts with this versatile smart jump rope featuring 4 fitness modes including free jump, timed jump, counting jump, and target jump to match your training goals. Designed for durability and comfort, it is made from high-quality PVC material that is wear-resistant and built for long-term use, while anti-slip handles provide a secure and comfortable grip during intense sessions. The easy-to-read LCD display allows you to track your progress clearly, even under bright sunlight, helping you stay focused on performance. Its adjustable length ensures a personalized fit for users of different heights, delivering a smooth and tangle-free jumping experience every time. The 25 degrees ergonomic handle design promotes natural wrist movement for effortless and efficient rotations. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a convenient carrying bag so you can take your workout anywhere, whether at home, the gym, or outdoors. Perfect for cardio training, weight loss, endurance building, and overall fitness improvement.